Hey everyone! Welcome back to Do It Yourself DIY. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified about our latest home improvement tips and DIY projects. Today, we're diving into an exciting transformation: how to remodel your main bedroom. Whether you're looking to create a cozy retreat or a stylish space, we've got you covered with tips and step-by-step guidance. Let's get started. Ready to give your bedroom a makeover? Let's dive in. Step 1. Planning and gathering inspiration. Before you start tearing down walls or picking out paint colors, take some time to plan. Consider what you want from your bedroom. More storage, a cozy reading nook, a fresh color palette. Now, let's talk inspiration. Online platforms like Pinterest and Instagram are bursting with bedroom design ideas. Don't underestimate the power of a good old-fashioned magazine, either. Visiting furniture and design showrooms is like stepping into a world of possibilities. As you gather inspiration, start putting together a mood board. Pin fabric swatches, paint chips, furniture images, and anything else that catches your eye. Don't be afraid to experiment and mix and match different styles. Maybe a touch of modern farmhouse with a dash of industrial chic? Or perhaps a blend of Scandinavian minimalism with bohemian accents. Take your time with this step. The more thought and intention you put into the planning and inspiration phase, the more successful and fulfilling your bedroom remodel will be. In the next chapter, we'll tackle the oh-so-important topic of setting a budget. All right, folks, let's talk budget. Setting a realistic budget will save you from a world of stress down the road. Plus, it allows you to prioritize what's truly important to you. Start by determining how much you're comfortable spending on the entire project. Once you have that figure in mind, we can start breaking it down into smaller categories. Think about the different aspects of your remodel. Will you be tackling any structural changes, like moving walls or adding windows? What about flooring, paint, and lighting? Don't forget about furniture and decor. Now comes the fun part, deciding where you're willing to splurge and where you can save. Maybe you've had your heart set on those gorgeous wide plank hardwood floors. To balance it out, consider painting the walls yourself or opting for more affordable light fixtures. Remember, there are always creative ways to stay within budget without sacrificing style. Think outside the box. Could you refinish an existing dresser instead of buying a new one? Could you repurpose vintage finds to add character and charm? Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and tackle some DIY projects. Throughout the entire process, keep meticulous records of all your expenses. Now that we've got the financial side covered, let's move on to the fun stuff: choosing a color scheme and materials. Get ready to dive into the world of color and texture, folks. Choosing a color scheme and materials is where your bedroom's personality truly starts to shine. Let's start with the color scheme. Are you drawn to soft, neutral tones that create a sense of calm and serenity? Or do you prefer bold, vibrant hues that make a statement? If you're yearning for a peaceful retreat, consider calming blues, serene greens, or soft grays. For more energy and vibrancy, don't shy away from bolder hues. Once you've chosen your color scheme, think about materials. Flooring, wall finishes, textiles, and furniture shape your bedroom's look and feel. Hardwood floors add timeless appeal, while plush carpets create coziness. Paint is versatile, but wallpaper adds personality and pattern. Textiles transform your bedroom. Choose soft, appealing fabrics that complement your color scheme. All right, folks, let's talk furniture layout and lighting. These two elements go hand in hand in creating a bedroom that's both functional and inviting. Start by considering the focal point of your bedroom. Is it a stunning headboard, a cozy fireplace, or perhaps a large window with a picturesque view? The bed is undoubtedly the star of the show in any bedroom, so give it the prominence it deserves. Position it in a way that allows for easy access from both sides, and make sure there's ample space to move around comfortably. If you have a smaller bedroom, don't be afraid to get creative with your furniture placement. Consider using multifunctional pieces, like a storage ottoman that doubles as a coffee table, or a daybed that can be used for both seating and sleeping. Once you've finalized your furniture layout, it's time to layer in the lighting. Good lighting is crucial for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere in your bedroom. Aim for a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting. Remember, the key to successful lighting is to create a balance between functionality and ambiance. Experiment with different types of lighting and bulb wattages to find what works best for your space. Now that we've covered furniture layout and lighting, let's move on to the finishing touches that will truly personalize your bedroom. All right, friends, it's time for the best part, adding those personal touches that will truly make this bedroom your own. Think about what brings you joy, what reflects your passions, and what makes you feel most at peace. Artwork is a wonderful way to inject personality and style into your bedroom. Whether you prefer bold, abstract paintings, serene landscapes, or whimsical illustrations, choose pieces that speak to your soul and complement your chosen color scheme. Textiles are another fantastic way to add warmth, texture, and personality to your bedroom. Layer on plush throw blankets, decorative pillows, and a cozy rug to create a haven of comfort and style. Incorporate elements that evoke a sense of calm and tranquility. A vase filled with fresh flowers, a collection of scented candles, or a small water fountain can all contribute to a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. Remember, the key to adding personal touches is to choose items that you genuinely love and that bring you joy. Now, are you ready for the big reveal? Let's take a look at the transformed bedroom. Welcome to the grand reveal, everyone. After weeks of planning and hard work, your dream bedroom is finally a reality. Let's walk through this transformed space and soak in all the beauty. Notice how the soft, neutral color palette creates a sense of calm. The stunning king-size bed, dressed in luxurious linens, is the focal point. A vintage dresser has been given new life with fresh paint and hardware. In the corner, a cozy reading nook bathed in natural light. This bedroom reflects thoughtful design and the owner's unique style. And there you have it, folks, a step-by-step guide to remodeling your main bedroom. Whether you're going for a complete overhaul or just a few updates, I hope this video has given you the inspiration and tools you need to create your dream bedroom. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips and DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.